Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Today I'm going to talk about Walmart because they recently announced that they're going to get into the Metaverse. Walmart is ticker symbol WMT, currently priced at $145 per share. Past year, pretty much level, didn't really move much. Past 5 years, up 113%. So it's a stock that continues to grow even though it's such a big retailer. So they engage in retail and wholesale business. Some of their business segments include Walmart US, Walmart International, and Sam's Club. They also have e-commerce brands. Currently, market cap is $402 billion, P ratio 50.79, dividend yield of 1.52. In terms of analyst ratings, 82% of the analysts give it a buy rating. Taking a look at the Walmart financials, you can see annual earnings year over year. It grows very steadily year over year. And you can see they do have profits, so it's great to see Walmart have that. So good to see that kind of steady growth. It's not really a high growth stock, but they do have steady growth year over year. Now, taking a look at the news, why they're in the news recently, they're quietly preparing to enter into the Metaverse, and you can see they have plans to own cryptocurrency and collection of NFTs. This retailer filed several new trademarks to show their intent in making and selling virtual goods. And in a separate filing, it said it would offer users a virtual currency as well as NFTs. It was great to see Walmart trying to get into the space, and they recognize that no longer are consumers focused purely on the physical goods, but also virtual goods. And I feel like Walmart does have the resources to get into this space. So you can see the trademark, financial services, and namely providing a digital currency and a digital token of value for use by members on an online community via a global computer network. So I think Walmart, if they were to get into this space, it'll set the precedence for other retailers. Also, another application, you can see that the online retail store services featuring virtual merchandise, namely electronics, appliances, indoor and outdoor furniture, home decor, toys, sporting goods, outdoor recreation, health, beauty, and personal care products. And the list goes on and on. So, yeah, Walmart is trying to beef up their virtual presence through these virtual services and digital goods. And by having these, they continue to strengthen their online presence. And it's good to see Walmart get into the space, and I wouldn't be surprised if Amazon was preparing this. I mean, they're one of the largest online retailers, Amazon is, and with the web services, I feel like they can also enable other retailers in the space to get in. So you can see there's another trademark, downloadable software for use in managing portfolios of digital currency, virtual currency, and cryptocurrency, digital blockchain assets, digital tokens, crypto tokens, downloadable software for electronic wallet services, downloadable e-wallets. So they're definitely getting into the space on all fronts with the currency as well as digital goods. I feel like Walmart is a great retailer to do that, especially one of the largest ones in the U.S. Similarly, Nike filed a bunch of trademarks to sell virtual branded sneakers, and I feel like a lot of retailers are doing this because with the metaverse getting bigger and people being more engaged in the metaverse, it makes sense to have digital goods, digital currency to grow that world. Also, Gap was also selling NFTs, so you can see a lot of retailers in the apparel and wearables industry getting into this space. Taking a look at Walmart's financials from Q3. So this is dollars and billions, and the percentage is year over year growth. So total revenue up 4.3%. Total revenue constant currency up 3.3%. Membership and other income. So membership is a strong double digit growth, up almost 38%. Net sales up 4.1%. Net sales 3.1%. Gross profit, it's a 24.6%. So great to see the profitability. and operating expense 21.3%. So it's great to see Walmart steadily grow, and I feel like getting into the metaverse will help them grow even further, and they're very profitable as well. Taking a look at the receivables, inventory, you can see that growth, accounts payable growing too, return on assets. Taking a look at dividends. So this is providing shareholder value, 4.6 billions paid in dividends. This is year to date. And then share repurchases. So whenever a company buys back their shares, it shows that they have confidence in the company, and it increases shareholder value as well because it increases the earnings per share. I mean, that's artificially increased, but it's great to see Walmart buy their stocks back. So overall, Walmart is growing steadily year over year, and the profits are also growing very steadily. And with Walmart getting into the blockchain, crypto, or their own token, digital currency, as well as providing digital goods, I feel like that'll help Walmart grow even further in the virtual space. And even though I'm not holding Walmart stock at all, but I do have exposure through my ETFs as well as mutual funds. So I do have some exposure to Walmart through the diversified funds, but don't plan on starting a position anytime soon. What are your thoughts on Walmart stock? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital and a free stock for Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this video channel. See you next video.